For this dancing grandma, age is just a number. 85-year-old Dorothy Stockton lives in an assisted living facility in Georgia. The former dance competitor has been showing off moves like these to not just residents, but viewers online too. This video has been seen almost 5 million times. Her granddaughter says Dorothy's been dancing as long as she can remember. So when her grandmother jumped up to jive to this banjo player's tunes, it was no surprise. 2 years ago, Dorothy broke her hip, and doctors said she wouldn't be able to dance anymore. Looks like she's fully recovered. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Kelly Nealon.